everybody. I want to share something really special with you, especially this week. This is my woodshed. And we've all heard about taking somebody to the woodshed, but that's actually true. Inside here right now, I have, coming out of the woodshed, two very special young men who have no idea how to follow a lead. But these two young men, this one is my son Johnny, and this one is my son's friend Brian, who works for me. He's worked for me for a number of years. Of course, Johnny's worked for me from the very beginning. He's taken a class this week on making a lock with Thomas, and this is Brian, and he never works for me, even though he's here every day. So I just wanted to share these two guys and tell you a little bit about how much they mean to me. Now, I would ask them to talk, but both of them are really shy guys. So instead, they both went to high school together. I'm going to ask them to sing their high school fight song. Okay, have at it.
Brian knows that one, I don't.
Go, Whiteland, go!
Okay, so they didn't make it through high school either. So thank you very much, everybody. I just wanted to share with you the woodshed experience with these two fine young men.